Hello guys, good morning everyone. Good morning sa lahat all over the world. Andito na naman ako. So I have lots of things to share with you guys. Yung mga experience ko, yung mga attack ng mga demonyo. Alam nyo, based sa na experience ko guys, pag the more you wanna, the more you wanna go magsamba kay God, the more you want to know deeper our rule as a human here on earth, as a creation of God. Ang daming attack. The devil will attack through our emotions, and they're using the people around us. Alam mo, at saka ma-recognize mo talaga yung mga attack. I-trigger nila yung anger mo, yung emotions, yung upset, lahat-lahat. So, but when you're in God, you stay calm and focused. At saka the only weapon is to fight is yung rosary. Based on experience ko yun, yung anak ko, ang dami kasi nagsiswear yung anak ko. Ang ginagawa ko, instead na magalit, yun. Kasi it's not normal for the kids na sabihin niya na, Ma, mas mabuti pa mamamatay ka. So, no, sabi ko, it's not right. So, alam nyo kasi guys, ang influence sa environment at saka ngayon sa mga gadget ng mga bata, every time na pagkukunin nyo, yun, nagagalit sila. Ayaw nila na pakialaman yung ano nila, yung ginagawa nila. But as a parents, we have to be firm. At saka, ang hirap. Hindi natin kaya kung sa sarili natin as a human. Kailangan talaga natin si Mama Mary, yung dasal, we have to ask for the intercession of Mother Mary. Kasi if you rely of your own strength, no, we cannot do it. So, alam nyo guys, I didn't experience it before. As possible, if I can go to the confession twice sa isang linggo. Kasi I felt heavy kung hindi ako makapagkumpisal sa mga kasalanan ko. I mean, we're all sinners, guys. But I notice, guys, when we go to confession and clean ourselves, I feel lighter at saka ang bilis ng sagot ni God. Ang bilis ng sagot ni God. Hindi ka talaga niya pabuhan. I feel that joy in the middle of storm na hindi maibigay ng tao. Guys, alam nyo guys, sa totoo lang, sa shift ko kasi nagtrabaho ako sa mga matatanda sa nursing home. Alam nyo, 12 hours yung trabaho ko. Gabi, tapos pag umaga, I try myself na makapag-receive ng Eucharist, magsimba. I try. Kasi yun lang talaga nagbigay sa akin ng strength. So I try my best. I don't say it to you guys na para iano ko yung buhay ko, ganito ang ginagawa ko. I'm sharing it kasi ito yung na-experience ko eh. Ito yung na-feel ko, hindi ako ganito noon. Ngayon, ang babaguhin ka talaga ni God. If you humble yourself, babaguhin ka. Kasi dati, pag may mga behavior ng mga anak ko, ay nagre-react ako na nagagalit ka agad. But now, this time, parang cool ka lang, cool. Kumbaga, I know ikaw na, a little devil. Alam mo, makikita ko kasi sa anak ko eh, pag atakehin na sila kasi they're playing with their gadgets, nagagalit pag kukunin ko. So, I just pray silently. At saka may mga sacramentals ako na pinabless ko sa pare. Tapos yung rosary, yun makikita ko talaga na when you ask them to pray, they don't, hindi sila mag-look straight forward sa mata mo. And then, they bow, at saka aalis sila, takot sila sa prayer. And then, that time na-notice ko sa anak ko kasi sabi ko, you say sorry to mom. And then, kasi nang sinasabi niya sa akin na, nang kinukuha ko yung gadget niya, I wish na mamatay daw ako. So sabi ko, say sorry to mom. At tapos kinukuha ko yung rosary, tapos nagdasal, and then after that, nagsisorry siya sa akin. So guys, there is no impossible with prayer. There is no impossible. God wants us to trust fully like a kid. You say that mas madali maka-enter yung mga bata sa heaven than the. So that's what God wants us to do. Be humble. At saka you fully trust on Him.